There she is. The Z series. I don't know anything real about them, but I like the look of them. Yeah, this is the next project. Been told I can have it. The Fairlane, the Gentleman's GT. I've just been going around giving a bit of a spray of rust off. All trimmings, everything's still on her. Obviously there is going to be some rust, but otherwise in pretty complete condition. Yuck. Actually, I don't know where the VIN number is on these things. Anyway, yeah, check her out. 2-speed. I noticed that it didn't have the gearbox and engine in it when I came out here originally, but when I popped the boot, look what I found. I would say that's the power plant out of her. Beautiful. Torque converters and hello transmissions, 2 of. Bell housings. My plan was to, I've got the BA1 tonner sitting at work. I was going to put the manual and the barra in it. It looks like I've got an engine and gearbox, which I didn't want to see. But otherwise, it's retrievable. Everything's on it. 96277, 96,000. So I don't know if it's been around the clock or not. Who knows? Yeah, everything's on it, so it's a bonus. It has been better days, but I think it's retrievable big time. Check her out. Just got to find the steer arm for it. I'm probably going to take these brakes off anyway. It's going to take a little bit to get it rolling, but I'm not expecting much to be savable in this arse end. It's full of water, but I'm pretty happy to see that. Oh no, look at that. Put me stopper back on it. Don't scratch the patina. I like it. What a beast. Fairlane. I think that's pretty cool. Right here. I like it. Cool. Yeah, I'm just looking at it, admiring. She's got a few dings and stuff on her, but I plan on nearly keeping it as is. Fix some of the rust, but leave the patina. This side's obviously a bit worse because it cops that afternoon sun all over. Right here. See if we can. Oh no. There you go. How cool. See if we can go find this steer arm apparently it's sitting over here. I'm not going to film any of the other stuff because it's not my yard and I'm here by myself. You let me come in, just have a look at what I've got to do to get it out of here. under this old girl should be apparently my steering bits. Is that it? I don't know. Could be. And here's what we could put in it. This is the BA. I got a carton. Oh, damn. For a carton of grog. Barra, manual gearbox. Yeah, that's an option. Yeah. I want a set of rims and a tray you can buy off me. So that's the option. There's my Crocs. That's the option. Oh, cat head. And that's the other option I've got for the Z. Right, let me know what you think. Barra, I'm guessing the engine in that boot was the original and one of those transmissions. It's going to be a while yet anyway, because there's a bit going on with work. That's where I am now. And hunting. We're about to go out and chase a couple of goats. Right out. Let me know what you reckon. The V8, 2-speed or Barra manual gearbox. I'm liking the Barra option. Alright. So, we're back out. I checked the camera from last night. And you don't want to see me changing my DAX. Yeah, I checked the trail camera. I moved it from the other dam. And put it on this other one I've been coming to. Just to see what came in overnight. There was only roos and a fox. No piggies. We're just here, we're gonna collect my camera, have a bit of a walk in and see if anything's about for, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes. Then I'll head over to the other one where I originally set it up and all that mob of goats turned up. And I forgot my boots. So we're crocking it. So, you never know. Might be extra stealthy. Alright, I'll get ready and we'll sneak up here.